All right, so we're back with another one. We're buying tickets. So a large children's organization purchases tickets to the circus. The organization has a strict rule that every 8 children must be accompanied by one adult guardian. Hence, the organization orders 8 times as many child tickets as it does adult tickets. Child tickets are $7 and adult tickets are $19, and the total cost of tickets is $9.75. How many adult tickets were purchased? And because of the way it is, let's also say we want to know the number of child tickets. All right, so if we say X equals number of adult tickets purchased, and they were at $19 each, then we have to have 8 times as many child tickets. So we have to have 8X equals the number of child tickets. And they were $7 each. Okay. All right, so now what we need to do is set up the equation. And so we're going to take a number of tickets times the cost plus the number of tickets times the cost. So we'll have 19x plus 7 times 8x equals 975. Well, that gives us 19x plus 7 times 8. Well, that's going to give us 56x equals 975. Well, what does 56 plus 19 equal? Well, that's going to be a 15. That's going to be a 75. So 75x equals 975. Well, that's 75 times x, so we have to divide by 75. And so x is equal to what? Well, now we have to do a division. Well, that'll only go in here once. That's 75. Subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now we bring down the 5. If we take that times 5, that'll give us 35. That's too big. If we take it times 3, though, what's 75 times 3? That's 15, 21, 22. So it looks good. 3, so that's 225. That's 0. So 13 adult tickets. And what we had was 8x is equal to, well, now we have to take 13 times 8, so that's 24. That's 104. 104 child tickets. Okay. Now, that's what we're saying we bought. So let's check our calculation. So 19 times 13, because we have 19 times 13 tickets. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then we have 9. Then we have 1. We add that together. That's 7. That's 14. That's 247. Okay. Now 8x we said is 104. And we're taking that times 7. So that's 28. And that's 7. And so if we add that to 247, that's 15. That's 6, 7. That's 9. That's what it matches. So we have the correct answer, and so those are the correct number of adult and child tickets they bought for $975. All right, another piggy bank one. So Liz cracks open a piggy bank and finds $4.50 or 450 cents, which we know is going to be the easier way, all in nickels and dimes again. So there are 15 more dimes and nickels. How many nickels does Liz have? Well, X equals nickels, and those are 5 cents each. And we have 15 more dimes, so X plus 15 equals dimes, and those are 10 cents each. So if we take 5 times x plus 10 times x plus 15, we should get 450. Well, now we've got to get rid of the parentheses here. So we have 5x plus 10x plus 150 equals 450. Well, we have like terms there, so we can add those, but we have to subtract this to get it to the other side. So 5x plus 10x is 15x equals, and we subtract that, that looks like it's going to be just 300. Now if we divide by 15, x is equal to, well, 15 goes into 300. How many times? Well, 2. That'll give us 30. That's a 2, not a 3. And so subtract that, that's 0. So it looks like X is equal to 20 nickels. And X plus 15, that means 35 dimes. So that's what we're saying is our number. Now, how does that work? Well, 20 times 5, that's going to be 0. That's going to be 100. And 35 times 10, that's going to be 350. Well, 350 plus 100 is 450. So that does check out. All right, we'll stop here.